Hello Eric, this is Aaron from Voss Motors and I'm making this video especially for you. This is the 2018 Suzuki DR650. It has 4,296 kilometers on it. The asking price is $6,488 plus HST licensing. And here's the VIN for your insurance purposes, right here. As you can see, it's in great condition. We just got it in the other week. It comes with this custom windshield. It comes with these Moose Expedition carrying cases. And it comes with this Motorsport VaporTech dashboard. As you can see, it's in great condition. It comes fully certified and it comes very clean. If you'd like to come to Voss Motors, you're more than welcome to come in. If you have any more questions, you can reach me at 905-660-2901. My extension is 213. I'd like to thank you for your time and I hope you have a great day.